Why do you seem so scared? All I wanted to do was play with you. Please come and play with me. I am so lonely. You're not afraid of the dark, are you? Don't be afraid. Come with me. I will show you where I play hide and seek. Do you want to play hide and seek? You hide and I'll find you. You're going to die in there. Don't say I didn't warn you. I know things no one knows. You're going to die. Help me. I'm begging you. Can you help me? I'm alone and scared. I lost my mommy. Can you help me? I'm coming for you. I'm going to be there, watching you. I will get to you. I will find you. I don't want to play around. Why don't you play around? Why can't you help me find her? There is someone standing here.
Come to me, the men in the dark said, or else you won't see the sunset. I didn't see this as a threat, so he screamed at me until I bled. I don't want to play alone, but when I cry I hear a groan. I see a figure behind the wall. I'm so afraid he's going to fall.
La 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 la. La 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 la.